this transition layer, okay, transition width W, okay, for equilibrium condition when there is no external voltage, V equals to 0. Then for forward bias, then V equals to Vf, some forward voltage, and in case of reverse bias. Okay, so in these conditions, okay, in these conditions, how the current is flowing through the junction? Okay, I guess all of you are knowing कि for forward bias, this transition width or depletion layer W, okay, that width is decreasing. Okay, so but due to that, or in case of forward bias, apart from this change in depletion layer, okay, what other things are happening? Okay, if current is flowing, then due to which one? Okay, whether it is due to holes or due to electrons or due to magnetic carriers or due to magnetic carriers. Okay, so that we'll see. Okay, and in between, we'll also understand the concept of drift current and diffusion current. Okay, then we can see the total current that we know कि it in case of forward bias it increases exponentially. Okay, so in this diagram, okay, for A, B, C, three different things. One for equilibrium when there is no external voltage, then forward bias, then reverse bias. And if you see the, okay, we can easily understand with the band diagram. Okay, if we, and one thing, in case of forward bias, see the width of this depletion layer, that is decreased one from the equilibrium condition, and for reverse bias it is increased. Okay, why this depletion layer is less, depletion layer width is less in case of forward bias? Nilesh,
Sir,
Nilesh, Nilesh, can you explain?
sir, in forward bias, P type is connected with positive terminal of battery
Okay,
and N type with negative terminal.
हाँ,
And hence, sir,
हाँ, क्या होगा उससे? पी टाइप पॉजिटिव से कनेक्ट किया हमने, एन टाइप को निगेटिव से कनेक्ट किया.
sir, there is sir, sir charge उससे सर फ्लो कर
अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं,
due to
charge flow
recombinations.
this that no, in terms of carriers. Okay, in terms of carriers.
होल सर नेगेटिव एक्सेप्टर आयन रहता है इन होल्स देयर इज नेगेटिव आयंस
Hmm.
and in sir n type there is positive donor ion and hence there is
हर्ष मिश्रा, नहीं नीलेश, वेट कीजिए. हर्ष मिश्रा, लो, हर्ष मिश्रा
Yes, sir.
एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं?
No,
मुझे
sir.
लगा आप लोग को आता है, फिर अब ये चीज एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा.
Sir, याद
वो
नहीं है.
याद नहीं
Due
है
to recombination, sir.
ड्यू टू
Recombination.
रिकॉम्बिनेशन. एनी,
due to repulsion.
बोलो रोशन.
ऐसे रिपल्शन के कारण से पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल पी से कनेक्टेड होता है, तो सर वो डोनर आयन पॉजिटिव हो गया तो पॉजिटिव साइड पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव रिपेल करता है, और जिसके चलते सर जंक्शन जो होता है वो पतला हो जाता है सर.
जंक्शन पतला हो जाता है, उसका विड्थ कम हो जाता है. एनीवन, और कोई जो एक्सप्लेन करना चाह रहे हैं? Why the depletion layer is increasing in case of reverse bias and decreasing for forward bias? Okay, in terms of this band diagram, see the band diagram, इतना तो हम लोग अभी तक पढ़ चुके हैं ना कि बैंड डायग्राम के थ्रू भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. एनीवन, जो भी आ रहा है, ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन। अतुल, अतुल
यस सर।
एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं?
सर
कोशिश, हाँ कोशिश कीजिए।
सर एन साइड में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं वो पॉजिटिव चार्जेस से रिपेल होते हैं, और पी साइड में जो होल्स होते हैं वो नेगेटिव चार्ज से रिपेल होते हैं। इस वजह से
क्या बोल रहे हो? फिर से बोलो,
डिप्लीशन।
फिर से बोलो, फिर से बोलो, क्या बोला आपने अभी? इलेक्ट्रॉन
सर जो
पॉजिटिव
एन
चार्ज से रिपेल होगा, क्या बोले अभी?
सर चार्ज से इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिव चार्ज से रिपेल होगा। सर जो एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाई किया है
हाँ।
उससे जो एन साइड में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं
हम्म।
वो डिप्लीशन रीजन की तरफ पुश होंगे, और
हम्म।
जो पी साइड में होल्स हैं सिमिलरली वो भी डिप्लीशन रीजन की तरफ पुश होंगे।
हम्म। हम्म। हम्म।
सर तो इसी वजह से डिप्लीशन रीजन का विड्थ घट जाता है।
डिप्लीशन लेयर का भी घट जाता है। कि जो हम लोगों ने देखा था ना कि हाउ व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर द ट्रांजिशन विड्थ, ये, और हमने बोला भी था कि इसी को हम लोग बाद में यूज करेंगे एज अ डिप्लीशन layer. Okay, so in case of forward bias, that width is decreasing. Okay, in case of reverse bias, it is increasing just due to, okay, whatever the polarity of external applied voltage. Okay, external apply voltage. Now, if you see the current one, because we are interested in the current flow at the junction. Okay, if you see the first diagram for the current. Okay, so in that there are four different particles. Okay, four different scenarios like hole diffusion, hole drift, electron diffusion, and electron drift. Okay, different notations are also there. Okay, different notations are also there. In case of equilibrium, in case of equilibrium condition, all are same. Okay, but for forward bias, okay, if you see the flow of holes, hole diffusion is there more. Okay, hole diffusion is there and electron diffusion is there. Why it is so? That I will explain. Okay, similarly for reverse bias, hole diffusion and electron diffusion वो काफी कम है. Can see the direction of current. It is same for holes. Holes इस direction में flow हो रहा है, current is flowing on the same direction, but reverse in case of electrons. Okay, reverse in case of electrons. So this we have to understand कि for different scenarios, for different conditions of external applied voltage, here we have two conditions, forward bias and reverse bias. So for those conditions, how the current is flowing, whether it is due to drift one, drift of carriers, or due to diffusion of carriers. Okay. Now, if you see the potential barrier at the junction is lowered by the, which I you know already, okay, junction is lowered by a forward bias voltage VF. Okay, from the equilibrium contact potential V naught to the smaller value V naught minus VF. Okay, if you see the diagram, okay, V naught minus VF. Okay, V naught minus VF. This is because the potential of P side is raised by the biasing. Okay, we are applying some biasing external voltage. Okay, so potential for the P side is increased by the bias. Okay, in case of forward bias. In case of reverse bias, that potential barrier, okay, potential barrier, or we can say the voltage cross that transition width, okay, transition layer or depletion layer, that becomes more. Okay, initially क्या था? V naught था. Okay, and it increased by VR. That is the reverse voltage. Okay, in case of reverse bias, in case of forward bias, it is decreased by VF. Initially it is V naught. In case of forward bias, decreased by VF, it become V naught minus VF. Okay, and In case of reverse bias, it increased by some voltage VR. Okay. Because the potential of P side is depressed relative to the N side. The same thing, if you see the second one, initially for the equilibrium, we have V naught. Okay. Then in case of forward bias, it reduced by Vf. So it become V naught minus Vf. And in for reverse bias, okay, it is V naught plus VR. That VR we are providing. Okay, we are providing that reverse voltage. Now what happens to the band diagram? Okay, in terms of band diagram, okay, वहां से कैसे समझेंगे? So the transition region with W, this is depletion layer. Okay, it decreases with forward bias, increases with reverse bias. This is because of the decrease and increase in the number of uncompensated charges. Okay, जो compensate हो गया कि जो equilibrium में था, that is not. So this increase or decrease of the this depletion layer width is due to decrease and increase in the number of uncompensated charges. Forward bias में decrease होगा, reverse bias में increase होगा. Okay, and the separation of the energy band. Okay, ये पहले भी हम लोग पढ़े थे कि the separation of energy is a direct function of the potential barrier at the junction. कि जो भी मेरा एनर्जी बैंड्स के बीच का सेपरेशन है, डिफरेंस है, दैट इज directly related with the barrier junction. Okay, potential barrier at the junction. Okay, so this band are separated less under forward bias. If you see the band structure, okay, in case of equilibrium, okay, it is QV naught. Okay, but in case of this forward bias, this V naught, it changed to V naught minus Vf. Okay, so it reduced. Okay, and in case of reverse bias, that V naught is changed to V naught plus VR. So some more voltage. So separation is more. Okay, separation is more in case of reverse bias. Okay, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? Because we know कि for reverse bias and for forward bias, the potential barrier changes. Okay, initially equilibrium condition में कुछ value था, एक constant value मान लो V naught. Okay, so but in case of forward bias, it decreases by some amount. In case of reverse bias, it increases by some value. Okay, so accordingly, the separations of energy bands, okay, that also varies, changed. Okay, now the next point is the shifting of the energy band. Okay, under the both conditions, forward bias or reverse bias. Okay, that implies a separation of the Fermi levels. In case of forward bias, the Fermi level on the N side. Okay, ये recall कीजिए, Fermi in case of forward bias, Fermi level on the N side, that is EFN. If you see the diagram, the first one, EFN, ECN, and EVN. Okay, in N side, valence band, conduction band, and Fermi level, ECN, EFN, and EVN. Similarly, we have in P side. Okay, so in equilibrium, it is almost equidistant. Okay, but it changes in case of forward bias and reverse bias. See the dotted line. Okay, for the forward bias. Okay, in case of P side, there is no change, but in case of N side, ये क्या हुआ? ये shift हुआ. Okay, shift हुआ. How much values? Okay, by some energy. Okay, QVF. Okay, so the Fermi level are separated by energy that is numerically equal to the applied voltage. Okay, so under the equilibrium, okay, we can say there is some transition width. Okay, we have some Fermi level that is in between, but when we apply some biasing, whether it is forward bias or reverse bias, okay, the width will also change according to the biasing. Okay, as well as energy bands that also be changed. Okay, either in n side or in p side. That depends on the bias condition. क्या हम दे रहे हैं, फॉरवर्ड बायस कर रहे हैं या रिवर्स बायस दे रहे हैं. Okay, so this is about the when we apply some kind of biasing, what happens to the depletion layer, what happens to the potential, what happens to the energy band, and how the current is flowing due to which combination. Okay, holes diffuse हो रहा है या holes का drifting हो रहा है या current diffuse, sorry, electron diffuse हो रहा है या electron का drifting हो रहा है. So many things are there. If you see the last diagram, okay, the last one, okay, particle flow as well as current. Okay, now we'll see कि what diffusion current. What is diffusion current? ये हमने पहले भी हम लोगों ने शायद पढ़ा है diffusion, कि this diffusion current it is composed of majority carriers electron on the n side to diffuse p side and holes from p to n. So the current flowing through the diffusion, क्या कि अब diffusion कब होगा? Okay, जब हम कुछ biasing condition देंगे and according to the whether majority carrier is electron or holes. So in n side, electron is diffusing to p side. Okay, and holes is diffusing from p to n. Okay, so at equilibrium, when there is no biasing, V equals to 0, external voltage, there is no external voltage. Okay, so in that case, the electrons having high energy that can diffuse in spite of barriers. This is very important one. Okay, कि at no bias condition, okay, we have some high energy electrons in conduction band. Okay, so that will diffuse in spite of the potential barrier. Okay, because in no bias condition, or when V equals to 0, applied voltage equals to 0, okay, there is again some depletion layer is there, W. Depletion layer with W is there, but there is no possibility that electrons or holes can diffuse from one side to another side. Okay, but in case of forward bias, when we apply some biasing, okay, with forward bias, the barrier is lowered. वो हमने अभी explain किया कि in case of forward bias, the potential barrier is lowered by how much? Vf. Okay, so initially it is V0, now it becomes V0 minus Vf. Okay, so and many more electrons in the n side conduction band have sufficient energy to diffuse from n to p. क्यों होगा? Because that barrier is decreased. Okay, that barrier potential at barrier is decreased from Vf. Okay, so the electrons which having high energy that can diffuse from n to p. Okay, n side to p side. Therefore, the electron diffusion current that can be quite large with forward bias. Okay, क्यों ज्यादा होता है? Due to this one. Okay, the electron diffusion current can be quite large with forward bias. Forward bias में क्यों diffuse हो गया? Because potential barrier at potential at barrier is less. Okay, is decreased by Vf. Similarly, in case of reverse bias, okay, in case of reverse bias, more holes. Similarly, more holes can diffuse from P to N under forward bias. अभी forward bias ही देख रहे हैं. Okay. Similarly, more holes can diffuse from P to N under forward bias because of this lowered barrier. Okay. So, in case of forward bias, the high energy electrons is diffuses from N to P and holes that diffuses from P to N. Okay. So, there will be some diffusion current. Okay. Some diffusion current, and if you see the diagram, okay, if you see the diagram, okay, for this one, for forward bias condition, the last one, is it visible? Na? Is it visible clearly? No response from your side. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes,
Okay, so
sir.
the whole diffusion. Okay, because for forward bias condition, diffusion process is there. So if you see the black arrow and dotted black arrow, one is for hole diffusion, other one is for electron diffusion. Okay, that having high magnitude, high length. Okay, so this is in case of फॉरवर्ड बायस. इन केस ऑफ रिवर्स बायस अगर उन दोनों को देखो तो क्या हो रहा है, दैट इज वेरी लेस. ओके, वेरी लेस. क्यों? बिकॉज इन केस ऑफ रिवर्स बायस इफ यू सी द junction structure, pn junction structure, that barrier, okay, having very high potential, वो पोटेंशियल ज्यादा हो गया इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन से भी ज्यादा. ये तो जब इक्विलिब्रियम में डिफ्यूजन नहीं हो रहा था तो फिर रिवर्स बायस में कैसे हो गया कि वहां तो पोटेंशियल इज वी नॉट प्लस सम रिवर्स वोल्टेज वी आर. ओके, so in case of reverse bias, for reverse bias the barrier becomes so large that virtually no electrons or holes can diffuse to either side. Okay, that is diffusion. Okay, drifting is different. Okay, diffusion is different, drifting is different. Diffusion में we have, or in PN junction in N side, okay, electrons having sufficient high energy but potential at barrier, okay, वो कुछ ज्यादा है at equilibrium, so there is no diffusion. But in case of forward bias, that potential is decreased by some factor Vf. Okay, so that the same electrons can diffuse from N to P. Okay, conduction band से वो अगर हम बैंड वाइज देखें, okay, so it diffuses from N to P. वो कब पॉसिबल हो रहा है? जब मेरा पोटेंशियल घट जा रहा है. Okay, similarly holes can also diffuse from P to N, but in case of reverse bias, okay, in case of reverse bias the potential वो ज्यादा हो गया. So virtually no flow of, no diffusion of carriers, either holes or electrons. Okay, now we'll see the drift current. Okay, any confusion for the diffusion one? Diffusion.
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll see the drift current. Okay, and for this remember the drift current is created due to electric field. Okay, and in the case of PN junction, that field exists at the junction. Okay, अगर हम लोग रिकॉल करें कॉन्सेप्ट को तो वहां पे सम फील्ड इज देयर. Okay, and this drift current is due to that electric field. Okay, so and always make sure that you have a clear concept की for P side माइनॉरिटी कैरियर क्या है, मेजॉरिटी कैरियर क्या है, N side मेजॉरिटी कैरियर्स क्या है, माइनॉरिटी कैरियर्स क्या है. Okay, so now the next one is the minority carrier electrons on the P side. It means in this P side holes क्या है, majority है. Okay, minority carrier electrons electrons on the P side which wander into the transition region will be swept down by the barrier by the electric field. Okay, whether it is high or low वो move कर जाएगा. Okay, similarly minority carrier holes on the N side that crosses barrier by that electric field. Okay, so this movement, okay, this creates drift current. Okay, this creates drift current, and this drift current is not dependent on height of potential barrier. This height of potential barrier is nothing but that you can say potential at depletion layer. Okay, so with the reverse bias में ज्यादा हो रहा है, फॉरवर्ड बायस में कम हो रहा है, So this drift current is not dependent on that. Okay, remember this also. Drift current is not dependent on height of potential barrier. Okay, diffusion में क्या था? Just opposite. We can say, okay, in case of diffusion current, that we can say कि diffusion current is dependent on height of potential barrier. Okay, जब तक potential barrier कम नहीं होगा, there is no diffusion. Potential barrier ज़्यादा हो रहा है, there is no diffusion. But in case of drift, it is not like that. Okay, there is movement on the basis of electric field, and that electric field is there. Okay, at the junction. Okay, at the junction. Okay, so holes of P material take part in drift current. Okay, take part in drift current, but electrons of P region takes part in drift only. So they are attracted to positive ions of transit since these are okay. So if you see, if you compare the magnitude, okay, or amount of current, so the diffusion current having high value. Okay, क्यों? Therefore, the electron diffusion current can be quite large with forward bias. Okay, this diffusion current, इसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा है होगी कंपेयर टू द ड्रिफ्ट करंट. Okay, क्यों कम होगा ड्रिफ्ट करंट? Because the minority carriers, okay, minority carriers कम है. Okay, their number is less, so there is less drift current. Okay, there is less drift current. Okay, ठीक है, अभी कुछ आप लोग से एक तो डाउट्स पूछ लेते हैं. आयुष, सब गायब है. क्षितिज, कार्तिक अग्रवाल, प्रेम,
यस सर.
प्रेम, क्विज है क्या आप लोग का आज कोई?
यस सर, दो.
इसीलिए सब लॉगिन करके गायब हो गए हो, इसलिए कोई रिस्पांस भी नहीं आ रहा है. ड्रिफ्ट करंट कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं? Can we say कि drift current is only due to magnetic carriers? Can we say like that?
No sir.
Why?
सर मेजॉरिटी कैरियर्स पे भी तो इफेक्ट आता है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की वजह से.
So is there any movement of majority carriers due to that electric field?
No.
अगर आपके अकॉर्डिंग मूवमेंट नहीं है तो हाउ वी कैन से कि there is drift current due to majority carriers also?
नहीं है.
अगर मूवमेंट होगा तभी तो करंट हम बोल सकते हैं ना. दोनों चीज आप ही बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं होता भी है लेकिन मूवमेंट नहीं है. कौन सा आता नहीं. ठीक है प्रेम, चलो आप एटलीस्ट ट्राई तो किए. प्रज्वल,
Yes sir.
can you say something about this drift current?
Sir, in diffusion current, only majority carriers move because of the barrier potential. since in forward bias the barrier potential becomes less, it is easier for them to move from easier for the holes to move from p side to n side, and for the electrons to move from n side to p side. That is only the majority carriers in diffusion current, but in drift current, both minority as well as majority carriers move, irrespective of the barrier potential.
But still, we can say that the drift current amount is less compared to diffusion one. Why it is so? If there is movement or there is current flow due to both one, तो ये ज्यादा अमाउंट होना चाहिए ना, और इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. आइडियली होना चाहिए.
यस सर, क्योंकि दोनों मेजॉरिटी एज वेल एज माइनॉरिटी कैरियर्स मूव.
हाँ, अगर दोनों से होगा तो होना चाहिए, बट वी नो ड्रिफ्ट करंट वैल्यू इज लेस. आप लोग पहले भी पढ़े हैं. ओके इस पे हाँ, इसको आप लोग सारे लोग जो भी प्रेजेंट हैं अभी, एक बार आप लोग पहले फाइंड आउट करना, डिस्कस करना आपस में. ठीक है. एंड वन मोर थिंग, टुमारो आई विल टेक एक्स्ट्रा क्लास. कोई क्विज है टुमारो? बोलो प्रज्वल.
नहीं सर,
नहीं
पर
है ना.
एक असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना है.
असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना है. तो क्या कल ले सकते हैं क्लास 2 बजे से?
यस सर, डेडलाइन सबमिट करने का 12 बजे है.
Okay, so I will take from 2 to 3.
Yes sir.
Okay, because Friday onwards I am on leave. Okay, so maybe I will not take class. Okay, अभी assume करो कि हम क्लास नहीं लेंगे, लेकिन अगर मुझे लेना होगा तो I will inform you well ahead. Okay, but Friday I will not take.
Okay sir.
Okay, so tomorrow I will take from 2 to 3. ठीक है. 2 से 3 एक क्लास ले लेंगे, so that I will cover some portion. Now we'll see for the current. The next point is the electron hole pairs. It can be generated thermally on either side of junctions. ये हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था कि thermally we can generate electron hole pairs. Okay, so an electron hole pair generated on p side that provides minority electrons in p material, and if it is generated within a diffusion length of the transition layer. Okay, see this one. कि अगर कोई minority electrons, okay, an electron hole pair generated on p side, if it provides minority electrons in p side of p material, okay, and if it is generated within the diffusion length, okay, within the diffusion length of the depletion layer or transition layer, or we can say near about the depletion layer. So these electrons, it can diffuse to the junction. Okay, these electrons can diffuse to the junction and it can be swept down the barrier to the n side. Okay, so this is a different current. So this resulting current due to drifting, this is not direct drifting. Okay, it depending on that minority electrons, okay, or the electrons in p side, whether it is near about the depletion layer or within the diffusion length of the transition layer. Okay, then only it can be diffused to the other side, n side. Okay, so the current which is producing due to this drifting is called generation current. Okay, this is called generation current, and this can be done optically also. Okay, thermally तो हम लोग generate कर ही रहे हैं electron hole pair, and it can also be possible with some external. अगर हम लोग कुछ optical voltage दे रहे हैं, कुछ we can generate this electron hole pairs optically also, and this is the application, okay, is in photodiode. Okay, in photodiode, normal diode में क्या है, thermal can generate electron hole pair. In case of photodiode, okay, we can generate it optically, and the same drifting, same generation current is there with the same process. Okay, one in case of drift current, one thing is due to the electric field. जो भी magnetic carriers है, at the p side or n side, okay, magnetic carriers, not majority, the magnetic carriers in p side or n side, that is swept down by the some electric field, okay, from एक side से दूसरे side में, from one side to other side, okay, and the amount of magnetic carriers, okay, value of amount carriers, number of magnetic carriers are less, okay, whether it is in p side or it is in n side, okay. So इसके कारण this the current due to magnetic carriers is less, so we can say drift current is less. वो मेजॉरिटी के कारण क्यों नहीं हो रहा है ये आप लोग कल बताओगे हमें, ठीक है, तब जाके फिर क्लियर होगा कि ड्रिफ्ट करंट में मेजॉरिटी कैरियर्स का रोल क्या है। ये डिफ्यूजन में तो क्लियर हो गया, बट इन केस ऑफ ड्रिफ्ट करंट, okay, similarly if we are creating some electron hole pair, okay, by some thermal mechanism, thermally, okay, so due to that also some magnetic electrons are created, okay, in p material, and if it is near about the, we can say, okay, theoretically we can say near about the depletion layer, okay, more technically we can say within the diffusion length of the transition layer, okay, so this these electrons can diffuse to the junction, okay, जैसे ही diffuse हुआ it can be swept down the barrier to the n side, p side से n side, okay, and the current due to this type of drifting is called generation current, okay, and this can be possible through optical method also, optically also. Example क्या है, photodiode, okay, photodiode. Now the total current, अभी हमने देखा, ठीक है, करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, okay, करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, if you see the diagram, okay, due to some diffusion current, some diffusing process, some drifting process, okay, so this total current, okay, this total current, so total current crossing the junction is composed of the sum of diffusion and drift, both components, okay, the electron and hole diffusion currents are both directed from p to n and drift current from n to p, okay, and but under the reverse bias condition, both components diffusion, both diffusion components are negligible, okay, because of the large barrier, ये same चीज है, and the only current in the is the generation current, okay, remember this, what is generation current, okay, हम लोग डायरेक्ट नहीं बोल सकते कि हाँ जो ड्रिफ्ट करंट है द सेम इज जनरेशन करंट, देयर इज सम चेंज, okay, in generation, in you can say for methods of generation current, okay, it is not exactly similar to the drift current, process is same, drifting is there also in generation current, okay, but in case of reverse bias, okay, diffusion components are negligible because of large barrier at junction, but there is generation current, okay, रिवर्स बायस में क्या है, वहां भी EHP इलेक्ट्रॉन होल पेयर क्रिएट हो रहा है, एंड उसके कारण इफ द माइनॉरिटी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, इफ माइनॉरिटी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर विद इन द डिफ्यूजन लेंथ, वो क्या होगा, वो बैरियर क्रॉस कर जाएगा, एंड ड्यू टू दैट द करंट इज फ्लोइंग, एंड दैट करंट इज कॉल्ड जनरेशन करंट, दैट करंट इज कॉल्ड जनरेशन करंट, सो some difference is there, okay, that's it, और अभी नहीं बताएंगे ज्यादा, because after this we have the carrier injection, Okay, small topic है, लेकिन in the carrier injection we have many again some derivation type things are there. Okay, that is analysis of carrier injection. So वो याद है आप लोग को फॉर्मूला VI जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आप लोग बनाते थे, IV कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ PN जंक्शन. So what is formula for current frame?
Sir, I naught e power minus Vj into 0 divided by 0.26.
नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं,
माइनस
I naught e minus बोल
बोलो जिन्हें भी आ रहा है बोलो. जरूरी नहीं है कि प्रेमी बताए, जिन्हें भी आ रहा हो बताओ. कि I equals to I naught into e raised to QB by KT minus 1. Okay, so this I naught is nothing but the generation current. Okay, this I naught is generation current. Okay, so if you recall that VI diagram, okay, it is increasing exponentially, but it having some I naught value. So the total current that I equals to I naught into e raised to QV by KT minus 1. Okay, so this I naught हम लोग बोल सकते हैं okay, that it is generation current, or we can say the total current I is the diffusion current minus the absolute value of generation current. Okay, तभी तो ये I naught into e raised to QV by KT minus 1. Okay, तो ये चीज ध्यान रखना है हमेशा. Okay, इस पे आ सकता है ना न्यूमेरिकल्स, क्योंकि इस मॉड्यूल में शायद न्यूमेरिकल्स ही दिया जाएगा. Okay, numericals and derivations, all those things. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, tomorrow I will take extra class from 2. Okay, I will send the link, okay, by 1:30 or 1 o'clock. Okay, that's it.